I'm out on another challenge today to show you an activity you can try right here in Northern Ireland. I'm at Clandeboye Estate in Bangor today, where I'll be trying 4x4 off-road driving with Ireland Off-Road Experience.
Shut up and drive, 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 drive. Shut up and drive, drive, drive.
So it's very much in the first and off we're going, and we're going to go sort of around to my side, and we're going to go into the track and hopefully come out in one piece. Yeah, indeed. Well,
right
not forgetting this is only the wee easy one. You have two more ahead of you, so they're going to be quite interesting. So really, it's feet off everything, allowing the car to take us down in first gear, and we're just sort of fingers crossed that everything goes well.
I am literally looking straight down over the nose of this car into a big muddy pool of water.
Yeah, not really somewhere you'd want to swim. Suspension creak and groan as we ground this, and when it's creaking and groaning, that means you're pulling the suspension right to the maximum.
You just would never be able to do this in a normal car. It's literally, you can feel the different parts of the car sort of bending underneath.
Yes, very much so. Yep.
Yeah, let's drive it on